So, when we talk about physiology and its relationship with metabolism, it's important that we also know that how different sort of physiological disorders are also caused by the disorder of metabolism, and which in turn also then cause many metabolic disorders. So, in that case, we are now going to talk about three mega diseases, mega disorders. They are not simple diseases, they are mega diseases, which will help you to understand how defects in metabolism can lead to some major physiological disorders. And the first in our list is, of course, the diabetes. Diabetes is truly considered as one of the most challenging medical problem of the modern age. It's a group of many, factors which are polygenic. It is not a syndrome which is caused by one gene or two genes. It's a polygenic in nature. Its defining characteristic is the increased blood glucose level. That's why whenever you want to check that you are diabetic or not, you check the level of glucose in your blood. Its prevalence, the statistics about its prevalence are really, really shocking. For instance, in Pakistan, 33 million adult people are diabetic. 33 million, that's a huge number. And approximately 27% of the adult population, more than 1/4 of the adult population, almost 1/3 I would say, is diabetic. 8 million people still are undiagnosed. More than 1/3 of the Pakistani population are pre-diabetic. They are on the borderline between diabetic and non-diabetic. And making the things worse, most of them are unaware then they are on the borderline. That shows that what sort of urgency is needed to deal with this challenge. One of the major defects or major consequences of long-term diabetes is the adult blindness and the amputation. You have to, at the end of the day, get rid of your important limbs because they have become so much inflamed because of diabetes. There are two types of diabetes. You all know type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is it is juvenile or which occurs in the young people, and type 2 diabetes which occurs in the adult people. That's why the 1 and 2 refers to 1 being in the young people and 2 being in the adult people. Type 2 diabetes is of our concern here, that because it's occurring more, its prevalence is increasing day by day. It's prevalent more in the aging population, as already discussed. It is also related somehow with the rising of the obesity in the population, and also in the very lazy side of style of life. People don't walk much. People don't do exercises. They usually used to sit in one place or the other for almost whole of the day because of the, whatever you say, lifestyle, or because of your professional limitations, or whatever you say. But still, we can say that this sedentary lifestyle is increasing also, which have this impact on the prevalence of this disease. In children, type 2 diabetes is also increasing, and again statistics here are also alarming. 49% increase has taken place under the age of 20, under the 20 to 20 by 2050. So 49% increase will take place until we reach the 2050. It shows that it will increase quadrupling. I mean, the cases will be a quadrupling. I mean, 4 times it will be increased by that time if no treat. If not this, if we don't tackle this, or if we don't deal this menace of our age, this is really something the whole medical community, not only medical community, at public level also, everyone should take it very seriously. And in the coming chapters, in the coming topics, we will see how diabetes, what is its etiology, how it is caused at genetic and molecular level, and how it is related with the metabolism.